What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mint and we're back again with another video. Today I want to talk about a general NFT and cryptocurrency market update and just kind of give you my thoughts on the current state of the NFT markets. So if you see right here, Ethereum has been having a great week. Already up 11%, and they just broke new all-time highs. So cryptocurrencies currently are going crazy. There's a lot of opportunities right now, and a lot of coins are 2, 3, 5, 10xing in matters of days. You guys watched my last video on Telomnium Cube. You saw that it was at $7, and I saw a peak around $28 within a week. So right now, cryptocurrencies are hot, and inversely, that means NFTs are not doing the best. If you come over here to Dune Analytics, you can see the OpenSea monthly volume on Ethereum, as well as daily volume, and it just boom, tanked. As you see with the general trend of the NFT marketplace, it goes in ebbs and flows. There's going to be times of high volume followed by low volume and then back to high. Very volatile space. That is what is expected in cryptocurrency, especially with Ethereum reaching all-time highs. Gas fees are going to be outrageous. More users, more holders, more gas. I haven't seen gas go under 100 Qui in days, especially with such high gas fees. Minting at this point in time is probably less than ideal, because if you have a mint for 0.08 Ethereum, but the gas itself costs almost just that, is it really worth it if you're paying twice as much? And then with the daily volume also going down across the board, that project won't even be sold on the secondary if there's not a demand for it. And so at this point in time, I'm currently not minting any new projects and kind of just taking a step back from the NFT space. And if we go over here to OpenSea, we can just see the general trend of the market. And a good sign here is that CryptoPunks and Bored Ape, for the most part, have been holding a steady floor price. I mean, Bored Ape was 32 not that long ago. They peaked out about 36, 37 recently. And then from the market crash, as Ethereum was climbing, has still holding 30 plus. So similarly, how Bitcoin and Ethereum dictate the overall trend of the cryptocurrency marketplace, I look at CryptoPunks and the Bored Ape Yacht Club as kind of the sentiment of NFTs. Even though it's crashing right now, I don't think NFTs are dead. This is an opportunity where you can either buy the dip or hold out for the long run. I will warn everyone here, and this is not financial advice, but you have to really reevaluate your holdings. If you're on a lot of small projects, you bought them because it sounded cool, but they're not delivering and they're not future blue chips, you have to really evaluate, is it worth holding onto, or should you sell now and reap what you can and then buy back later at a lower price? Honestly, I don't think Ethereum is going to be slowing down in the near term future. There might be small corrections, but I really think we're on that second leg of this bull run. And with that being said, Ethereum is going to continue going up, and I think NFTs will have less interest in the near term, especially with Ethereum 2.0 not coming out soon. Gas is going to be relatively high. NFTs are just not going to be in the spotlight. If we've ever wanted to enter the NFT space, especially with blue chips, gives you a great opportunity to buy in those blue chips now as the price is low. But also another thing is watch the price, watch Ethereum, because those prices could go lower. Like if we come down here, you can see that Doodles is now under 1 Ethereum. The Doge Pound 2.6, holding it fairly well. I have a buy target for under 2 Ethereum for the Doge Pound, so if that hits it, I will go in. Cool Cats, that took a big hit at 5.55. I actually may enter Cool Cats if it goes a bit lower. I'm not sure if that'll hold. This is the lowest I've seen it in the recent days. And then some of the other projects I've mentioned, Mutant Cats, Head DAO, these are at all-time lows. Mutant Cats has a great team, great vision, great utility, and this would be a great time to rebuy. It might go lower, but when you have a good team, good community, these projects will stand the test of time. But overall, I'm not really looking to enter the NFT space at this moment. There's just so many great opportunities out there, and I'm a trader and investor in all things crypto, not just NFTs, and so a good investor will play the market from every single angle. So if cryptos are up right now, cut your losses in NFTs with some of the crappier projects. Jungle Freaks. Gather your ETH and then enter the crypto space, because if Ethereum is still rising, you will still be able to make positive ROI on the money you currently have, and then when you believe there's a bottom out phase in the NFT market, you can buy the dip at that point. But with these low prices, some of the projects I want to get into is going to be Cool Cats. I recently got into Pudgy Penguins. I buy the dips when I feel comfortable, also when my crypto gains are doing very well. Cryptocurrencies, especially altcoins, will not be going up forever, so it's better to take profits and then move them into an asset that has taken a hit, NFTs in this example, and then kind of rinse and repeat that process of, selling out at the top, buying at the bottom. Coming back to the top, one thing to take note of is, as of recently, a lot of the metaverse plays have been going crazy. Decentraland, Sandbox. Looking at those projects, you can see that they actually have been going up with NFT valuation. So, here right now, Sandbox is number 6, Decentraland is number 9. It might not be a bad idea to buy some NFTs related to these ecosystems. So one project I recently got into was Wilder World. So here's Wilder World, floor price at 0.4 Ethereum. And essentially Wild is a metaverse project. They're going to have in-game NFTs that could be used in the Wilder World metaverse. But so coming down to Wilder World, you can see that very recently they were following the metaverse trend and they went crazy, hitting all-time highs as they follow Decentraland and Sandbox. This is more of an under-the-radar crypto project, but everyone's going to follow that cryptocurrency trend and buy into Wild when they see Mana and Sandbox go up. But they're not thinking about buying the NFTs related to this. So here, as you see, they're cooling off a little bit, but Wilder had a crazy run up over 100% in just a week. And the NFTs associated with the project have also been slowly trending upwards. This is another opportunity for you to get in early before Wilder World has another leg up. You can look at Decentraland, you can look at Sandbox, you can even look at other smaller projects in the metaverse plays, and then cross-reference what the NFTs are going for on OpenSea, and then seeing if there is a potential play right there. I got into a couple of these NFTs. I also bought a plot of land on Somnium Cube. Overall, I don't think NFTs are dead. I think they're going to be put on standby while the cryptocurrency market is continuing to explode. There's just so much development with NFTs going on right now. Reddit's about to release a marketplace, Coinbase marketplace, Disney, Facebook, Meta. So many examples of NFTs being used for more than just a JPEG, and the next trend is upon us. I think metaverse plays are going to be the future, and with all this development going on, I don't know how people can't be bullish long term. This gives us an opportunity to watch and see if we can enter some of our favorite projects and get into things we have been priced out previously. And when money does start flowing back into the NFT space, it's first going to go into those blue chips, then the future blue chips, then the mid-tier and the newer projects. That's why I'm kind of staying away from mints and new projects at the moment. Investing isn't the most fun when you're in a bear market or a bear trend, but having diamond hands in this situation will truly pay you dividends if you can hold it through and then stick around for the next wave that we will inevitably occur. One tweet that stood out to me right here is, in the NFT bear market, 82% of Bored Apes are not listed, 85% of Cool Cats are not listed, 81% of Cryptotes are not listed, 84% of Deadfellas are not listed, so on and so on. Eyes forward, we all gonna make it. This is really just kind of giving you a little bit of insight as to showing the true community behind these projects. If you're a holder in one of these projects and they truly believe in it, they're not selling for a loss, and they're definitely not gonna sell at the bare bottom of the cycle. These blue chips will stand the test of time, and they're at a huge discount. If you've been looking at NFTs and want to get into these projects, now's the time. But for me, myself, I'm actually going to use my capital and allocate it towards cryptocurrencies because I've been trading cryptocurrencies since 2016. That's my bread and butter. Cryptocurrencies is hot. That's where the money is, and that's where I'm going short term. I will take those profits and then try funneling them back into these blue chips while they're still at dumpster low prices. All in all, I still think NFTs are not dead. There's too much development going on, and then a lot of these projects will be risen from the dead. Cryptocurrencies will have a halt, and I do think there will be a huge crash or something that will shake out a lot of the paper hands in the cryptocurrency space. That is when, Ethereum will go down, gas prices will go down, more people will start looking at smaller altcoins as well as NFTs to use their profits from the recent come up to gain more money. That's how I see it. That's kind of my strategy going forward. I also do plan on making some more videos on altcoins I'm getting into that I believe will explode in the coming months. A lot of opportunities to make money right now. I'm not going to be just an NFT guy. I'm going to be a cryptocurrency guy, a yield farming guy, staking, whatever it be. There's just so many opportunities in cryptocurrency in general when Ethereum and all these other cryptocurrencies are just exploding. Take those profits, funnel them back into NFTs, and hold them through when you get into a better price. That's all I have for today, guys. Thanks again for watching another video. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'm going to try coming out with some more cryptocurrency related videos, especially with altcoins, how-tos. I want to really teach people, especially those that don't know as much, how to get immersed in the cryptocurrency space, but it's all time sensitive and you have to understand how the markets ebb and flow, and with more alpha, more knowledge, you'll be in the best position to reap the best rewards and gains from this bull cycle. Thanks again for watching. I'm your boy Mint, and I'll catch you guys next time.